How to refund games on Steam. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to refund a game on Steam. To start, open the Steam and click on the Steam menu at the top, and from there go to the settings and then select account settings. And from here you can simply click on account details. Alternatively, you can access this by clicking on the profile in the top right corner, and from there you can simply select account details. Next, find and click on view purchase history, and you should see this near your wallet balance, and this will bring up a list of all past purchases. So locate the game that you want to refund and simply click on it. And once you are on the game purchase detail page, select I would like a refund and then click I would like to request a refund, and you will now see a confirmation screen displaying the game details and the refund amount and whether the refund will be credited to your Steam wallet. In some cases, you may be able to choose a different refund method. And now expand the reason drop down menu and choose why you are requesting a refund. The best option is to usually it's not fun, but you should select whatever fits your situation best. If needed, you can also provide additional details in the notes section, such as why the game didn't meet your expectation. And once you filled everything out, simply click submit request at the bottom. And keep in mind that to qualify for a refund, the game must have been purchased within the last 14 days and have less than 2 hours of playtime. And that's it. Now you know how to refund a game on Steam. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.